The benefits of term life insurance. Have you thought about what would happen to your family's financial future if you weren't around? It's a tough question, but an important one. Today, I'm talking about the simple and affordable way to protect your loved ones, term life insurance. In the next few minutes, I'll cover what term life insurance is and how it works, and why it's important and more affordable than you think, who needs it, and how to choose the right policy, and bust some common myths. By the end of this video, you'll understand how term life insurance can provide peace of mind and financial security for your family. So let's dive in. First, let's break it down. What is term life insurance? It's like a safety net that lasts for a specific period, 10, 20, or 30 years. If something were to happen to you during this time, your family receives a lump sum of money. Simple, right? Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but isn't life insurance expensive? Here's the good news. Term life insurance is often much more affordable than you think. For example, a healthy 30-year-old male could purchase $1 million of term life insurance for just $43 a month. That's less than what people spend on their coffee habits for a month. And for a woman, it's even less, about $33 a month for $1 million of term life insurance. So who needs term life insurance? If you have people dependent on you financially, you need it. This includes married couples, parents with children, single parents, homeowners who own a home, homeowners with mortgages, anyone who helps support their family. So here's one myth that we often hear. I'm too young for life insurance. Actually, getting the coverage when you're younger and healthier means lower premiums. It's a smart and financial move that your future self will thank you. Choosing the right policy involves thinking about these facts. How long do you need the coverage? How much your family would need if you were not around? And what fits your budget best? Whether you're a young family or starting out, a couple with a mortgage, Vargas & Vargas Insurance will work with you to find the perfect policy for you. Protecting your family, filling the gap if someone dies prematurely. We're here to guide you through every step, making sure you understand your options and feel confident in your choices. We'll work with you to find a policy that fits your unique situation, that gives you peace of mind. Getting started is easy. All you need is to think about your family's needs, give us a call, and our experts will be able to guide you through the rest. Remember, term life insurance isn't just about planning for the worst. It's about ensuring the best for your loved ones in an affordable way to say, I love you and I've got you covered for your family. Ready to take this important step, securing your family's future? Give the team at Vargas & Vargas Insurance a call. We're here to help you protect what matters most. Stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching, and here's to your family's bright and secure future.